I'm meeting an internet friend today. Oh my gosh, let me tell you about it. So my girl Rhonda, I met her last year, I think July or August 2025. She started working for a client that I was transitioning off of, and we've stayed in contact ever since. And she's been in Bali, and she's been in Thailand and Vietnam. She's been all over, and she's finally made it to Malaysia. So I'm about to go meet up with her and have dinner. And I think it's just so awesome because I don't know about you, but I love meeting people that I've only known on the internet, whether I met on social media or met on a virtual job like this. After months of knowing them, some people years, you finally meet them in person and it's like, oh my gosh, you're a real person. And just to see them in person and get to know like how tall they really are, right? When you meet people online, you usually just see them from the shoulders up. Well, especially when you're working. But yeah, to see, oh, somebody's getting on the elevator. 1 second. Okay, I'm back. Had to wait for them to get off the elevator. So yeah, what was I saying? Oh yeah, so I've met people, some people I've known for 12 years, 10 years, online before I met them in person in real life. It was so crazy, but I just love it. So yeah, I'm about to go over here and meet her at my town mall, you know, my home mall, and we're gonna have a good meal, chit chat, and I'll see if she wants to be on camera. You know, everybody doesn't want to be on camera and I don't make them, but I'll let you know. The sun ain't no joke today. Woo. And it's windy. I do like the breeze. I'm not mad at that. Woo. Ooh, when it's hot like this, well, it's not the hottest it's been because of the breeze. But when the sun is beating down like this little 8 to 10 minute walk feel like it's way longer. Woo. Just gotta make it there. Almost there, almost there. If I had to guess, I think she's gonna be coming in this door. Either this door or the one down there. Let me see if I can see from the map. Okay, I see her. Hey boo, how are you? You did not consider. I told them, I was like, I gotta ask if she wanna be on camera because she might not wanna be on camera. You look so pretty.
Thank you. When I do decide to go short, hold on. Where is it? Another one. See, I want that color.
Oh, nice. Thank you. Oh yeah. You want hot water too?
Yeah, because I rinsed my stuff. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you. And then I do have another one where I was like, I'm gonna go ball. I saved this along the way.
Oh, that looks amazing.
Well, that's not ball, but yeah.
That looks good.
Or I can do the rose gold.
Oh, that looks good.
I clearly like color, but
Yeah.
you can't be doing too much on your hair.
That looks beautiful.
I know, it's pretty. Oh, this is the one I really want.
Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we over here discussing haircuts because she thinking about cutting her hair short.
It's not gonna happen. I'm not good.
And you're not gonna do it. You got to.
It's just a dream.
Okay, look, she brought me chocolate. Oh my gosh, I can't wait.
I hope
This one is
good.
This one she said is a lot of different types. And
Yes, on the side.
Oh, 30
Classic
pieces.
Dark, peppermint, orange, and chili.
Oh, okay. Classic dark, peppermint, orange, and chili. I ain't never had no chili chocolate before.
Me either, girl. That sounds like some Mexican stuff, which is right up my alley.
And then it's dark chocolate. I would eat some now, but chocolate on empty stomach hurts my stomach, so I have to eat something first. Because I literally woke up at like 1:45 today.
I don't think I got to moving until about that. Whenever I text you, I had just gotten in the mall, walking around. Because I just kind of laid around.
Yes.
That's why when I text you and I was like, I'm sorry, I'm like, what is going on? I barely did anything today. Maybe it was just the walking.
No, the walking in the heat will do it. Okay, so what I usually get,
I was just about to ask.
is this, the roasted chicken leg. It's a leg and thigh with mashed potatoes and roasted veggies. That's usually what I get. And then I've also had the salmon with the mashed potatoes And that's a butter caper sauce. They
That
put around
sounds
there.
delicious.
It's good. And you can order veggies on the side.
And this is your favorite place.
This is sorry.
One of your favorites.
This is one of my favorites. Yeah, it's not my absolute. I don't. You know what's so crazy is I don't have a favorite. Like, yeah, here.
But places you like, you enjoy.
Yeah.
And you
Oh,
know
yeah.
they're consistent and solid.
Yes,
That's all that
exactly.
matters.
Yeah, I used to come here like 2 to 3 times a week when I was personal training. Yeah, I used to
That's
come here all the
pretty
time.
good, though.
Yeah.
Oh, I did listen to your voice message
Yeah.
over here. No, that was so funny. I've never heard budget and Rhonda in the same sentence.
Okay.
I'm working on it,
Right.
but I don't know her. I don't know who budget is.
Okay. She said I don't know who.
I should know her, but I don't know her.
Okay.
That's why I be so stressed because I'm not used to having to budget.
Okay.
I don't tell myself no because I don't feel like I'm outrageous.
Right.
I might be.
She's a princess. She really is. Just the way you did it with the flip of the fingers and the flutter of the
Well,
eyelashes.
because I had
it's
to
like,
remember like.
I don't know who she is.
I don't know. I'm like, budget, what is that? I hate it
Well,
here.
yeah.
I hate it. But
Yeah.
it's a season.
Yes, it's the season.
You got a video.
Yes.
Your plate is cute.
It's really nice. This is Rhonda's. Are you excited about it?
I'm excited.
Let's see. I hope she like it because if she don't, it's not my fault. So I started eating the chocolates that Rhonda brought me, and I didn't record it. She was like, "You should also record it." And I'm 3 chocolates in out of 4.
I try to support my content creator friends.
Because I'm like, I'm eating my food just to get to the chocolate, right? So I'm just like, oh, ate the food, ate the first 3 chocolates. Peppermint was good. Orange was more flavorful. The dark chocolate, which I thought would be like more bitter, was actually had a sweetness to it that was, it's good. It's all of it's good. And so now I'm on the last one, the chili, and I was like, okay, let me record the chili because I ain't never had chili chocolate before. So
We're trying to get y'all an authentic reaction.
Yeah, for sure. I'm good.
It doesn't seem like a winner though.
No, I'm trying to. I think because I'm waiting for the heat. Oh, okay, there it is.
Back of your throat.
Yeah. Oh, that's tingling. It has my tongue tingling.
Oh,
It's good though.
like a lot of heat or it's balanced?
It's good. It's
I
good.
like
It's
that.
good. So, yeah, these are. You got this from Bali, so I don't even know. JungleGoBali.com.
Yeah, and then the other.
And the other one. I'm gonna try this one later.
Mm.
So, yeah.
And that one goes up to 100%.
This is good.
But I wasn't sure.
100% sound. I've never had 100% dark chocolate.
Is that the salted one?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sea salt nibs.
I know I like salted.
Yeah, I like salt too. So,
I got that from the health food store.
health food store.
They said that was really good. So
Okay, good. And how's been your salmon? It's been okay?
Yeah, it's been okay.
Okay, good. As long as it's not bad.
No, it's not bad. I had better, but it's not bad.
Yeah. I know she had better because she used to work for a prestigious organization. So how long? Wait. So is there anything you want to do while you're in Malaysia?
You hear my birth control?
I know. You're the baby. Babies be around. Did I say about birth control?
I love babies, so you know when you can give them back.
Yeah, when you get back, yeah. I rarely hear a baby crying though.
Me too. That's why I looked up because I was like,
I'm like, what's going on?
I've seen the babies around, but they've been very quiet.
Yeah. The kids here are well behaved, I will say.
We love a well-behaved child.
Yeah, and they be out. They have their kids out. It's not like they have their kids at home like Americans do. Americans be like, I'm either staying in the house or I'm keep leaving the kids at home. They kids be out. Like it's a family oriented place here. But the kids are just chill. I think I met 2 kids, boys, who were rambunctious, like all over the place. But for the most part, they be chill. So
That's one thing that I do love. I don't know why I love it so much because I don't have children. But in Thailand and Vietnam, I haven't been around enough malls here.
yeah.
But even the malls, like they'll have a whole section for the kids.
Yes.
Your kids are
It's on the second floor.
Yeah,
They got a sand pit there. They
I
got
love that.
the little cars that go around this track. They have a little train that goes through on the 3rd floor.
I love that.
And they have some places to play. They have places for kids everywhere. Oh, and there's one on the 1st floor too.
I love that.
Right by IKEA, right by the IKEA. There's a whole playground. The kids do bounce around there, but that's the area for it.
That's the area. That's
Yeah.
Where their asses at.
Yeah.
That's what it's meant for.
That's what it's meant for. So, no, I do love that they have places for kids. Like, kids are a normal part of society here, right? I mean, yeah, and they have spaces and things for kids to do everywhere you go. So, that's pretty dope.
That lemon was good.
Okay, good.
That is that sauce.
Okay, did you want cake? You want to look at the cake?
No, we're going to get popcorn.
We are going to get popcorn at TRX. Okay, bye. We're going on the train. It's our first time. We're excited.
I like train.
You do? I like it.
Yeah.
It's convenient.
I like convenience.
Yeah, so this is the, over here is the machine to get where we going. We made it to Garrett's. Yes.
You should feel at home.
I do feel at home. Hi. Can I try the cheese popcorn, please? Anthropology? Oh, okay. I thought you meant the clothing store, Anthropology.
No, the one that in the Anthropology, the one that did Claude.
Yes. You're right. You are right.
Yeah, the only other they had a cheese and a caramel mix. I don't know what the brand was, but I would always go in and get it.
Okay, yeah, touch and go. Okay, let me see if your phone is working.
No, it works. It was the phone.
The
It
thumb?
only does that with the card.
Okay.
It started doing it with the card.
Okay, you want to download TNG. It's the app.
Go ahead.
And when I went to Thailand, I had money in my TNG card. And when places don't take credit cards, they don't take cash. But I can use, it converted my Malaysian ringgit into Thailand. It does it for the Southeast Asian countries.
Really?
Yeah, and I can use it to tap and go still.
I had to go get some traveler's card with Thailand so I can use like the QR code.
Yeah. So with QR code, TNG will let you scan it and pay.
Because Thailand is the only place, that's the only drawback I can think. They're not as like, Bali is very convenient. So like I can tap to pay for pretty much anything in Chiang Mai, because it's Thailand's a whole country, but in Chiang Mai in particular, every place doesn't have tap to pay. But they have the QR code.
I thought Vietnam would have less. Did they have tap to go?
They had tap to pay.
No.
I had, the most place where I had to have cash and stuff was in
Thailand. Yeah, that's true. Because when I went to Bangkok, it was one place we went to some hawker stalls. This area that had all these little shops or food places, and that's where I needed it. That's where I found out I could use it. I was like, oh my god, because it was cash only. Oh my gosh, it is midnight and I'm walking back to my house from the train. I met up with Rhonda at 5 p.m. and we hung out to just now. I'm like, oh my gosh, I've done like 11,500 steps today from when I got with her at 5 p.m. Oh my gosh, we went to, we ate, and then we went over to TRX mall to get some popcorn, and we ended up walking around that mall and looking at all the stores and trying out fragrances. Oh, it's this new fragrance called Berry Crush, Libre Berry Crush from Yves Saint Laurent. I don't know how to say it, but it smells so good. This girl that I met when I did the English when I taught English in that class, she gave me a sample of it and it smells so good. And it's expensive. Anyway, so after we went to TRX and walked around, then we went to, I took her back to her house via the train. So I helped her get on the train and start learning that. And then we had another meal. And we had, oh man, I'm gonna insert pictures here. It's a Mediterranean place. So good. Oh, so good. This is the hummus trio plate. It has the pita bread with the tzatziki sauce, hummus, and eggplant dip. And it was so good. So flavorful. Loved it. This right here is the watermelon salad. And it had the lettuce leaves, cabbage, purple cabbage, feta cheese that melts in your mouth, and some of the most juiciest watermelon ever. So sweet, so good, and fresh. Everything was fresh. Yum. This lamb pizza was so weird at first because I'm like, it doesn't taste like pizza. And I was like, it tastes like pita bread with lamb on top and cheese and herbs. I could taste the herbs so distinctly. They were really, really fresh. And so I asked the person, the waiter, what kind of sauce is the base of the pizza? Because I'm like, it can't be tomato sauce. I don't taste any tomatoes. And he said the base sauce used on the pizza was lamb sauce. And I'm like, that makes so much sense because this tastes so different than pizza, but it was good. It was good. It just wasn't like pizza. I expected to be pizza. But it was delicious. Lastly, this was Rhonda's peri peri chicken. It had a side of rice, mashed potatoes in the middle, a side of corn, the chicken thigh and leg with some tzatziki sauce and some cucumber onion salad. Oh my gosh. It looked good. I didn't taste this. This was Rhonda's. She said it was good. It looked good to me, so I'm putting it in here. But yeah, that was our meal. Delicious. So, and then I went and saw the Airbnb she's staying at, and now I'm back home. So yeah, whew, lots of steps today, lots of fun, meeting and catching up and talking and, you know, meeting somebody in person. It was so fun. All right, talk to you later, boo. Ciao. P.S. If you ever see this in the future, Rhonda, it was so great to meet you in person. And I'm sure we're going to hang out some more over the next several days. But I just wanted to put this in here. Thank you so much for meeting up with me. Thank you for being such cool company. And yeah, just thank you for being you. All right, babe. Ciao.